Hello friends, welcome to the lecture 12 of Sequelize ORM course. In this lecture, we will learn how to implement pagination in our backend server using Sequelize, and after that we will learn some utility functions that will make our life more easier. So, first of all, I hope being a backend developer, you are aware of the pagination concept. So, what basically is pagination? Pagination is basically dividing the data into pages. Let's say I have 1000 users. So it is not at all optimized to send all the users to the client, I mean front end, all at once. If front end wants to show the user, it will show, let's say the page size we consider 10 by 10. So it will be 10. Okay, after that, first of all we will send 10, and then after that front end will ask us to send the second page. Then we will send user from 11 to 20. Then after that we will send from 21 to 20, 30. Okay, in this way we will go one by one to one by one pages. And pagination is very common to see in the Google search also. You can see pagination is there in the Amazon, in all the websites. Pagination is very common to see. So how to implement this thing? So the first thing you see is, what I am limiting here is I am limiting that at a one particular point of time I want to send only 10 records. How to do that? Users dot find all. I do this generally, okay, normally, but now what I will do, I am saying I want a limit of, for now I have this data. I don't have 1000 users to demonstrate. I have like 12. So let me divide this into the page size of 3. So I'm limiting that I want to see only 3 records. Let me console this also. Let's run this file. Oh, sorry. So as you can see, I got ID1, ID2, and ID3. I got only 3 records. So this is how I have limited it. Okay, so this is the first time I send this to the user. Okay, I have sent the first 3. Now after this, client will say me, okay, this is a complete logic. I am just telling you how to do things on the database side. Okay, while we will implement it, there are few things that we need to consider. We will decide a page size. The client will send us the page number, and based upon that we will skip few of the records, then we will move forward. So let us say, for example, in our case, now the client has showed these 3 records at the front end. Now front end says us that, okay, I want the next page. Means at the back end, what I need to do, I need to skip these 3 and then give the next 3. Okay, so for giving the next 3 I have already done thing. Okay, limit is this. So to skip the first 3, what I will do is offset 3. Let's see what happens now. Now what you got? 4, 5, 6. You got the second page. Now if you want the third page, skip, offset set as 6. Now you got 7, 8, and 9. So this is how we implement pagination using Sequelize. This is very easy. You don't need to write any SQL query. Just use two properties, limit and offset. So this was about the crux of this lecture, that is how to implement pagination. Now coming to the utility functions, um, suppose I have this data, okay? I have this age 1 to 6. I want the maximum age out of this table. How I will do it? C, user dot max. What max I want? I want max age. Let me run this. I want the max age as 6. Is it the case? Yes, the maximum age is 6. Okay. Now I want the minimum age. So minimum age is 1. So it should come. Yes, it's 1. I want the sum of all the ages. It's 42. Like if we will sum it, it will come out to be 42. Now, this is the basic implementation. It's not like that you can directly do it. You have to consider all these cases also. If in case you want that I want to sum up on a particular condition, you can also do where, okay, where let's say um, age is greater than 5. I want to add all the ages which are greater than 5, and so let's see what I got. So I'm getting 12. Let me see if it's correct or not. Greater than 5, 6. Okay, greater than 5, 6. There are only two. 6 plus 6 is 12. We got the right. So this was a pretty small lecture. Let me conclude. We studied how to implement pagination using limit and offset property and some utility functions. Those were max, min, and sum. So that's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.